We have developing news tonight. President-elect Joe Biden is continuing to round out his cabinet. He's expected to nominate Ohio Representative Marcia Fudge as Secretary of Housing and Urban Development. The announcement is expected to come later this week. Well, tonight, yet another major blow to President Trump's legal battle to overturn the vote. The U.S. Supreme Court refused to hear a case brought by Trump allies, and still the president refuses to concede tonight. KCAL 9 political reporter Tom Waite has the latest.
President Trump and his allies have lost dozens of cases in court across the country, but tonight's defeat in the Supreme Court may be the final nail in the coffin. President Trump's allies took their case to the Supreme Court to help overturn the election and failed once again. This time it was Pennsylvania Republicans who wanted the court to nullify the state's vote certification. This is the actual order from the court, just this brief statement. The application for injunctive relief presented to Justice Alito and by him referred to the court is denied. Loyola law professor and political analyst Jessica Levinson.
This loss is totally devastating, but then at the same time, it makes no difference because we already knew what was going to happen. Today is actually the safe harbor deadline. So in a really old federal statute, it tells us that states that certify by today, that they are basically protected. Congress has to count their electoral college votes.
President Trump appointed 3 justices to the high court during his term and said repeatedly he may turn to the court for help in the election.
What happened today in the Supreme Court with respect to the Pennsylvania case, that really is another end to the chapter of this post-election litigation.
President Trump still has not conceded and shows no signs that he will. Even today at an event to spotlight incredible progress on COVID vaccines, he said this when asked why Biden's team was not present at this event.
We're going to have to see who the next administration is because we won in those swing states.
Trump continued pushing bogus conspiracy theories.
Hopefully the next administration will be the Trump administration because you can't steal hundreds of thousands of votes. You can't have fraud and deception and all of the things that they did.
Meanwhile, President-elect Biden pushed forward with his transition plans with a focus on COVID.
I'm going to speak directly to the American people and say what I'm saying now. We need your help.
Biden laid out his 3-point plan to fight the pandemic as soon as he enters office, urging people to wear masks for 100 days, getting kids safely back to school, and carrying out 100 million COVID vaccinations.
100 million COVID vaccine shots into the arms of the American people in the first 100 days.
And Mr. Biden warned the current administration's vaccine plan will fall short without additional funding.
There's a real chance that after an early round of vaccinations, the effort will slow and stall.
Dr. Anthony Fauci helped Biden's team devise the plan and gave them credit for leaving politics out of it.
I believe, as you do, that in the fight against this pandemic, we must lead with science.
Also today, Mr. Biden formally announced his health team, led by California Attorney General Javier Becerra, who will be the nominee for Health and Human Services Secretary.
That to build back a prosperous America, we need a healthy America. That then will be job one for your team at HHS.
And Republican leaders on Capitol Hill still refuse to accept the results of the election. In fact, blocking the committee that is planning the inauguration from recognizing his win. I'm Tom Waite, KCAL 9 News.